The first easy trick is the shove it. To do this trick, you just push with your back foot and jump, and then you land on your board when it turned 180 degrees. The next trick is the 360 scoop. To do this trick, you drag your hand through the water the opposite way in which you want to turn, forcing your board to turn the opposite way. And if you get really good, you can do a double. The next trick is the 360. To do this trick, you look over your shoulder and twist your hips the way you want to go. The next trick is the stance switch. To do this trick, you're gonna start in your regular position and then jump facing the opposite way. The fifth trick is the hydroplane. You want to jump on your board and then push out your back foot so you're facing sideways, and this will help you go farther.